frankly not getting angry. Cause another and another coming up out of the gutter till I'm drowning in an ocean of entitled motherfuckers. And they pushing all my buttons but they never seem to wonder why another and another ask each other, does it get your blood boiling? Does it make you see red? Do you wanna destroy it? Does it get in your head? Cause it gets my blood boiling, and I'm coming on board. It would eat you like poison. If you knew what I knew, you would be angry too. I know you might have said to pick the very best girl, and I am.
There is a legend born long ago about a wicked man no one knows when it unraveled. 6 innocent little souls. The souls found bodies, the bodies started to move. Some say they still walk the whole thing from view. I got a secret that I am here to tell you. That place is this very place, and all the stories are so. This world's a scary place where not monsters just chase bigger hands for grabbing a hold. We were lost to foul play, but we got an upgrade. Lots more teeth for eating you whole. Here comes another chapter. Your heart is beating faster, 'cause you're the one where